Good morning. It's June now, and in this part of Spain we are dealing with yet another heat wave. I'm told this is an unusual year, so I guess it's just darn luck. Not to worry, I do have time to take another rest day, so that's what I did. In Ponferrada, I visited the cathedral and an impressive castle. I hope you enjoy this stage of my walk in the Camino Madrid. It is Friday morning, and I am on my way to Ponferrada. It's about a 10-mile walk, and it's predominantly downhill. So hopefully it'll be an easy walk. I don't do poorly on downhills. I actually do fine, except if it was like yesterday's downhill, where it was pure, loose, large rocks. That was definitely challenging. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning today, probably in the 50s and slightly breezy. So hopefully we're in for a good day. There was a pink sky this morning, and I can't remember what the saying is. Pink skies at night, sailors delight. Pink skies at morn, sailors be warned. I think that's it. Either that or I have them flip-flopped. I don't know. Let me know if I got that wrong. Anyway, had a lovely breakfast at the hotel that I was at. It was a nice little hotel, new, modern, clean, slept very well. So I am on my way to another hotel where I'll be spending 2 days. You can't really spend 2 nights in an albergue unless you have a really good reason as a pilgrim. That's what kind of the general rule that I found. So when I take these 0 days, I like to book a hotel so that I can be sure to stay in the same place. Okay, well, that's all for now. Let me show you where I'm walking. Here we go. It's my Brazilian friends. Hola! 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 So, where are you guys off to today? Sombrero. Oh, good, good, good. How's your ride been so far? Good? Yeah? Yeah. Difficult, I know, yeah, on a bike especially. Okay, buen camino, buen camino. Gracias. All right, well, since today was only a 10 mile a day, you would never know it because I really kind of struggled with the day. It was hot. When we walked into town, I swear we were walking on cement for like the last third of our walk. So it was super hot. Temperatures maxed out into the mid 90s. We're having another heat wave here in Spain. This one, I don't know why. I think maybe it's seasonal. I have no idea. But I was looking at some of the charts, and this definitely is unseasonable weather. So anyway, long story short, I got into my hotel room, and I think I had a little bit of heat exhaustion because I got sick. Since then, I've been just kind of relaxing and trying to hydrate myself, watching a video on my phone. I was able to get out and do some laundry, so that's good. And earlier today, I took care of my credential, so I'm super happy that I got a new credential. The father at the Basilica, he was super nice. He didn't understand any English, but he seemed to know exactly what I needed. So I'm glad I got that taken care of. Tonight, we're expecting more thunder and lightning, which will be exciting. And tomorrow, more high temperatures. So I hope to go to the Templar Castle tomorrow in the morning. And then again, I guess I'll just be hiding out in my hotel room. Either that or I'll go to the cathedral and maybe attend mass or something like that. There's always something to do here. Oh, and I also need a new water bottle because I left my water bottle at the last albergue, unfortunately. So yeah, that's all for today. I want to thank you again and for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.